Do we need to throw the idea? I mean, he sounds, oh, yes, it's possible we could get a Santa Claus rally, but that's way off of the, well, market's sort of primed for a run into the end of the year. Now says it's unlikely to recoup what's been lost from the peak
July.
until now.
Recouping what we lost from July might be somewhat difficult.
So you were looking for a year-end rally, too.
Yeah, I do think we have the potential to have a year-end rally, middle of November, Thanksgiving-ish into December. Let's remember, NVIDIA will report as in the few days preceding Thanksgiving. That potentially could be a positive catalyst. You have companies that probably will be buying back their stock as we approach the end of the year. And you do have this deeply oversold condition that now correlates to bearish sentiment that's reflected in positioning as well. So I think you get it, but Scott, I don't think you're going to get. I don't think it's kind of like the Jet Giant game yesterday. The Jets eked out a win, but it was kind of an ugly game, and the Jets barely won. I think that's the market.
So
right
we're
now.
going to get then more punts to play off that. We'll get more punts than anything else. We're not going to be able to get much offense going. We'll just go a bunch of 3 and outs. We may go sideways. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a bump. Maybe we get a little pullback. Is that the kind of market we're in for? By the way, Mike Wilson, big shock, says the chances of a fourth quarter rally have fallen considerably, though, while Piper Sandler says don't stop believing. 48.25. They stick with that.
Yeah, I don't know how we get to 48.25. Look,
well, you get it by going up 17%. That's
right,
how.
which I don't see. I think it's ludicrous. Look, I don't think it's out of the question that we hit Jim's target at the end of the year, but the question is from what level and what has to happen. So we'll be done with the Fed this week. Base case for everybody is that they don't hike. I don't see him really dialing back his somewhat hawkish tone. There's hope that they do, and the market may interpret it as they did the last Fed, well, his testimony just a few weeks ago that, oh, he's pretty dovish, and they sat back and said, no, he's not. He's hawkish. And that took the market down.
Yeah, well, but you all don't forget also, we've been saying on this program, and Leisman said it as well numerous times, the movement in the bond market has given the Fed the ability to be patient.
And that's my point. So you can't just look at the Fed. You have to look at what's going on. China is a big part, as I just mentioned, of what's going on. Is there an appetite for U.S. Treasuries with our big deficit? And to the countries that have been buying our bonds, they have work to do at home to buy their own economy, to put liquidity into their own economy. So I don't think you look at one data point like productivity, which is an historical number. I think you have to look at trends. And the trends are that the consumer's weakening, delinquencies are moving up, the consumers have depleted their savings, and that just doesn't bode well. And the extended lag between what interest rates are doing, should be doing, and what they've done. So that, to me, makes your bear case. However, seasonally, and it's not so easy because if you only trade on seasonality and it was so predictable, everybody make money, right? But I think seasonality, you could rally off lows, but I don't think lows are yesterday.
How, Jimmy, can you and Weiss differ so vehemently on the state of the consumer, which you keep making the case is super strong, and Weiss keeps making the case that the consumer's not?
Well, it's not me making the case. It's not me making the case. It's the banks that have come out. It's retailers that have come out. Okay, it's data that comes out from the Fed on the trends. So is the consumer strong right now? Yeah, in pockets, but even the high end, LVMH, they're showing disappointing numbers, right? Collectibles, watches, they've come down the pricing. So it's not me making the case.